Well, hello there, I'm Detroit. Let me tell you, this video was not supposed to exist. Like, at all. Quickly, let me recap what's happening. Or rather, simply tell you, it's not a recap, because I didn't say anything before. So I upload drawing videos twice a week. On Thursdays it's ink drawings, and on Sundays it's digital artwork process. That takes me a lot of time to do every week, but I love doing it. And normally it's fine. The only hiccup is when I'm off on vacations, for example. Then I need to plan in advance, either make more videos in a shorter time, or draw and only do the editing later, which is the case right now. I'm at my parents' house having some time for myself. And I had a video planned for today, which hopefully is Sunday. I did the drawing back at my apartment/studio, and then during the week I wrote a script, recorded it on my phone because I don't have my microphone, and then I edited it. By the way, this audio isn't really good either, but I don't have any microphone other than my phone available. Only, for the editing, I don't have my powerful computer tower with me, I only have this small laptop. Which in theory should be fine, because that's what I did drawing videos and edited on for the better part of a year at first. However, for some reason I can't seem to be able to export the video I had planned for you guys. I tried everything. I tried simplifying the edits, I tried rendering the video before exporting it, I even tried rendering it in parts. But no matter what I do, there's something wrong with it. I edited it a second time, still the same problem. I'm pretty sure by now that my drawing footage is corrupted. Maybe it happened when I transferred the video files onto my hard drive. Normally I should have the video files back at my apartment, but since I'm only going back there after the uploading time, I obviously can't do another edit and export it according to schedule. So in turn I decided to make another drawing video, a quick one, just for once. At the time I'm writing this, I haven't done the drawing yet. It's Saturday afternoon, and so I have to draw something, edit it, and upload it before tomorrow morning, because then I will be on a train with no internet connection to upload to YouTube. So hopefully I don't have any more trouble with Adobe Premiere Pro, and you're able to watch this video. My plan is to make a short drawing and maybe not even speed it up. That should help with the rendering on this old and slow laptop. If you compare this video with a few of my recent ones, you should be able to see the difference in the Photoshop interface on screen. Rather than my big monitors with high resolution, this is done on a laptop, so the space feels a lot more cramped. I know recently I talked a lot about going back to my original inspirations for drawing videos, but I didn't mean it like that. I didn't mean to go back to using the shitty hardware I used to. In any case, if you're watching this video, then it means my plan worked and I did manage to upload something in time. I guess I'm a genius after all. I hope you're enjoying the drawing process. Since I don't know how long it will be, I'll tell you right now to subscribe. That's the big red button below the video. Like the video and leave a comment. That's a good way to let me know you like what you're seeing. And as always, you can find a link to my Instagram in the description. I'm Detroit, and I'll see you in a few days, hopefully. Enjoy! Bye!
I